People are going out, people are coming back to the ships, to the cruise. Gorgeous. I love those mountains. It's just so beautiful, the mountain. You have the sea, with the oceans, with the mountain, with the sky. Just wonderful.
Hello guys,
Hello.
photo, picture for you.
No, not today. We are in Mexico now. We got out and we just want to go out. No, thank you. And then this is our crew. And then that's the Colombians, I think. It's so beautiful, Mexico. We're just gonna go flea market, farmer market. Okay, so they have dogs. I'll check on the
Thank you. Thank you.
welcome. We exit, we going out. Right here. Lots of people walking. Nobody booked the tourists, I guess.
What?
But there are tourist bus right here on the left. So they have buses, shuttle. Don't be gonna book it. When we exit, we next to Royal Colombian.
Attention, there will be for being only.
That's a big ships. And then right here, this is our ship right here. So we're just gonna walk to the downtown. But lots of boats here.
No.
Because we came here about 4 times, we decided not to book any tours. Don't feel like it.
Oh, look at the. Oh, that's you.
Those flowers on the right, we have those at home. And we have exactly the same color too. People will stop and take picture, which is what we're going to do. The light to take picture, babe. Oh God, okay, go ahead. Welcome to Anastasia.
Who brought it here to Mexico? You should have been Macau! Macau!
Okay, we're gonna go. We come from here, but we're gonna go. Okay, we go to like across the bridge, like that. People were caught, and we were caught like them. Here we are on the grid. You see people are exercising. They're such a good people. Wake up early and exercise. There are some beautiful, nice house. These are the ships. Two of them. Like those lights. My sister-in-law is buying Starbucks over there. So we're not gonna go this way. We're just gonna follow people. People go this way, we go this way. We're gonna go where all the people go. Because we don't want to have accident. And people come here take picture. We come here to take picture. Booyah, booyah, booyah. There are more areas to take picture. Lots of boats. Lots of, you see those boxes? Those Temu stuff. Maybe Amazon stuff too. Right here. Here, a lot of activity to do also in Mexico. Before we do the horse racing, boat holes, flea market, farmer market, where they sell fish. And we like, if we buy one, y'all can cook it for us. This time, we're just gonna walk. It's not too hot, not too cold here, but earlier was a little bit sprinkly. Sprinkle. We're not gonna get to go to deep Mexico, just this area. Probably owned by. Oh look, there's a horse over there that people can go take picture. Still like have a lot of American food called Junior McDonald. Yeah, it's a good place to take picture too. You could take picture and then you could have the background is the boat. What does this say? They don't have translate in this one. It's so cute. They show a guy walking. Oh, look at that homeless. He covered all his face. Lots of boats. Previous year when we came, we do this activity. I didn't like that much. Okay, we're gonna go follow the people. Here are some things. Baja. What is Baja capital? Baja. Baja means south. Love those beautiful house. Oh, look at that sexy man. Look at this wall. We're gonna go inside there, check out what they have, and then we're gonna go deeper because we don't have to come back till 4:30. So, but first, I'm gonna go use the bathroom. Oh, more to take a picture. Oh yeah, absolutely. Do that. Okay, when you exit here, how you gonna come inside? Look, they have food. They're not open yet. They have pizza. What's this one say? Happy Factory popcorn. Popcorn again. L something. Oh yeah. 50 peso mango. I want that one. I don't know what time they open. Ooh yeah. Ice cream. They take credit card. What do you order one of those? This in Thailand is popular. Mexico, let's try you Mexico. Can you order one of that? Because they have credit card. I'm gonna go use the bathroom. You in here? You wanna try Mexico food? You wanna try Mexico food? You don't wanna come here and go Starbucks, Nanya? Come on, brother. Why don't you take the right to buy Starbucks? Royal Colombian. This is Royal Colombian 110. Can you see the side content of the sea right here? Yeah, it's big. It's way bigger than the one that we stay Carnival. We're going back in. and this ankle is actually working. I just lift it up with 2 hands, like only this part 2 hands. Oh no, that one it won't work. They're not glued into the cement. Oh, they're all glued into the cement. They're all glued, but then over there not glued. I was able to like lift small piece up. This is south. I see a Mexico flag. Now time for shopping. Little souvenir, little snacks, a little toy. Kids don't usually stop no more. So let's go check it out.
Oh, okay. What are you guys buying? Oh, okay. You guys want one?
Ooh, yummy. I used to have a lot of this neck bracelet. I'm gonna get one. I think I'm gonna get blue. The Wi-Fi.
What do you want to eat?
Hello.
Mexican food or seafood? Lobster, fish fry,
Alright, later.
guacamole,
Thank you.
margarita. You want a table?
Maybe later. Thank
How
you.
many?
Oh, monkey. Whatever you got, you make money. This is called this arena. Is nada. People are eating on. This is like a farmer market place. Last time we take a 2 baht for $50 just to come here. Now we just walk here. We walk. And the 2 bus also make us walk a lot too. Yeah, your bikini. Where's up toy? The baby are not here, otherwise they want everything. Oh, don't you want that Mexico ball? Lot of place not open yet. We ate right here. Last time when we came, we ate in this restaurant. Just like how in Thailand they call you to come into the restaurant. This is cute. All the drink that you can have. And then yeah, this is where we ate at. We ate on the other side where the 2 young men standing. I remember nothing changed. Pins. So in here it's still very expensive. I bought a bracelet. It's $3 USD, but when I was in Catalina Island, I bought two for $3. So still expensive out here. And the lobster is like $30. They have coconut and they don't have price, so I don't know how much. So a lot of things, if they don't have price, the price can go anything. So up, high, low. They're selling this. I do not know what they want to buy. Where sell pretty much the same stuff. Last time we came back. See the pig market. I show you guys the pig market. More stuff over here. And go down. Look how scary that is. It's not much. Take that much to come all the way. My goodness. Yeah. Oh, the fish market is stanky. Oh, wait. They're buying this. But then like, how you gonna cook it?
买几个？我买6个。你买6个，你买几个？
This Chinese are buying this, but I don't know how they're gonna cook. I'm nosy, okay? I am nosy. I just want to know how they're gonna buy all this stuff and cook it. Like, where do you live? You Chinese, you live in here? Or you come from the cruise? You're out here buying the whole, almost all the longest part. I mean, good stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna look. All the sauces you could use. Sounds so delicious. Oh, we're getting out now. We gotta be careful though. We gotta be careful with those sauces. It's spicy, stomach hurt. Tummy hurt. Churro. Who wants some churro? Mexico street taco. Taco right here. Oh, they're lining up for what? Medicine? Hey, are we keep going or what is it? Ah, Hello Kitty, so cute. How much is this? $11. Okay. This is $11.
You do 10?
Are we gonna go 7-Eleven? Check that out. So cool. lot of call in Mexico too. So this area, Mexican people call it South California. Hello. Hola. How do they know that I'm recording? I might not be recording. So we came here before and we're just gonna repeat. But before when I came here, hello.
hoodies, blanket ponchos.
All right, thank you.
Welcome.
So, okay, thank you. So we came here before, but back in the day, I did not video all this delicious stuff. We are eating now. So some people are really expensive. Some people are not so expensive. I think over there where you buy gold. Over there? Yeah. And then over there it's like really entertaining. Look there, the jewelry. Over here look like this. So you have people selling gold, and you have to put the gold outside. Then you have the people sell like this, and you don't know which one is real and which one is fake.
No, I literally just tried to put them back on.
Wanna go in? American people. Oh, that is fancy.
You want to have a look?
That looks so cute.
Thank you.
Oh, that looks delicious. Oh, lots of dollar bills. Dollar bills. Is that what were you looking at?
Yeah, the Warriors not
Yeah, it's too hot for you.
Is that freaking?
They also have Spider-Man and a Donald.
Thank. Thank.
No, I did. Maybe if I decide to. How
If, let's say it's a 50-50 turn.
So if you give for every single one, you end up with no more dollar bill to tip your waiter later. You've been tipping like $15, $10. Pretty cute.
The other receipt.
Who want McDonald's? McDonald's. The store that we're looking, I don't think it's down.
You don't think so?
It's up there because we all go back to the ships. Why you gonna go down there? Look.
Yeah.
Pharmacy. Come on, let's go. Oh, another 7-Eleven back there, huh? Right there, 7-Eleven. This one famous too. Taco.
Yeah.
American stuff. A lot of pharmacy. Oh wow. Oh, this is pretty. This is painting art.
It's a baby one.
Oh, there's no down there, huh? So the entertainment is really up here where they were drinking in the open.
They got a nice house too.
Oh, you want one? Okay, you have to bargain. You really have to bargain, please. Bargain. Okay, we bought the tank top from here. And we bought some cigarette from 7-Eleven. This is what we got. We're gonna go outside now. We're gonna go down some more. Oh, it's a lot to go down. I caught this guy never ready. You could wait here with him. So cute. I don't have the shot glass that my boyfriend has one. What is this since 1969? Not sure if that Chinese, Japanese, but they sell boba mocha. Boba. Furniture. Tattoo. Oh wow, expensive when you go in there. Lot of stuff. It's stinky. When you see water like this, stinky. Be famous. I'll go back over there. Not sure how much to go back. This is where we come. If we was gonna get out, that we would come from early, right? No? Yeah. Maybe we're gonna go down a little bit more. If you need massage. Cheap. Clothes for the dog. The massage is more expensive than where we live. It's quiet this side. This side is so quiet, and it's almost the end of the world. It's quiet in this side there. Yeah. I like those mountains. Love those mountains. But they do the business by the water. That's how it always goes. Business by the water. Okay, I think it's dead end over there now. Because of here. The rocket right here, so we can go back. Stop face and makeup areas. And here Holiday Inn Express. They have a few sushi restaurants around here. And then they have lobster sandwich. There's a parking garage right here. And then over here. This is Zenlo. We're gonna hike up there. You see that little child, they're already there to hike. They got entertainment too. There's a lamp in the middle of the street. And face that. Oh. We like 7-Eleven, so you know we have to stop at 7-Eleven. A lot of the car in here is like from California. Like see that this van also California. Hey, this one look like from not California. Happy spa massage. Look, in Mexico, they also have Hong Kong food. And actually, all the tourists come here to eat. And the restaurant quite full too.
That's your Christmas present for
One of the cruise ships recommended seats.
Oh yeah, but then I would just have that.
what you find in there. Okay, like it's
Stay on the
been.
sun.
Sorry.
Slide mile home.
You got a lot of jewelry there, but you know, not real. You wanna buy a real one. Because you always do. Tequila. Not sure. I think you could bring a bottle home. Wait. Here's some more jewelry. They're pretty though. Most likely silver. I know there's some more like that. You want that? Iron Man? This is all. Okay.
Carnival in the
So I don't see on the other side, and over there is where the entertainment is. So I believe it's going in there. Bye.